Good morning, Leo. Let's check our garden today.
Yes! Let's go, Mom! Mom! The carrot is moving!
Hello, my name is Carl. Carl, I am very happy today.
I am Tom the Tomato, and I am proud.
This is amazing! Our garden is alive! We cannot eat our friends now.
But I am very hungry, Mom. Carl, why can you talk?
Because you take good care of us every day.
Don't worry, these extra tomatoes are for you. We want to help.
Dad, our vegetables can talk!
Really? That is very interesting, Leo.